Welcome to the Car Trivia Quiz. Guess these classic pickup trucks across beginner level, intermediate level, and expert levels. Enter the final bonus champion round to double your points. We'll also reveal an 800 horsepower muscle truck that could do 186 miles per hour. Let's get started. Number 1. Which pickup are we looking at here? Is it A. 2004 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, B. 2005 Dodge Ram SRT10, C. 2006 Nissan Titan Nismo, or D. 2003 Chevrolet Silverado SS? If you answered B, 2005 Dodge Ram SRT10, then you've hit the nail on the head. Number 2, let's see if you can guess this one right. Is this truck A. 1991 GMC Cyclone, B. 1990 Chevrolet 454 SS, C. 1990 Jeep Comanche, or D. 1991 Ford F-150 Knight? If you believe it's a 1991 GMC Cyclone, then you've aced it. Number 3, can you identify this iconic pickup truck? Is it A. 2003 Dodge Ram 1500 Rumblebee, B. 2002 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, C. 2000 Chevrolet Silverado SS, or D. 2006 Subaru Baja? If your answer was B, 2002 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, then you've got it right. Number 4, do you think this vehicle is? Here are your choices. A. 2007 Roush F-150, B. 2008 Shelby GT 500 KR pickup, C. 2007 Celine S331 sport truck, or D. 2008 Hennessy F-150 Raptor? If you place your bets on C, 2007 Celine S331 sport truck, then you're on the money. Number 5, can you recognize this classic truck? Your options are as follows. A. 1978 Dodge Lil Red Express, B. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Big Ten, C. 1979 Plymouth Arrow, or D. 1978 Dodge Midnight Express? Was your answer D, 1978 Dodge Midnight Express? You've just hit a home run. Moving on to the intermediate level. Earn 3 points for the right answer. Number 6. What's the name of this retro ride? Do you think it is A. 1989 Dodge Shelby Dakota, B. 1988 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat 4x4, C. 1987 GMC Sierra Classic 1500, or D. 1992 Chevy C1500? If you said A. 1989 Dodge Shelby Dakota, then you are correct. Number 7, can you identify this oddball pickup? Are we looking at A. 2005 Chrysler PT Cruiser Convertible, B. 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche, C. 2002 Lincoln Blackwood, or D. 2004 Chevrolet SSR? This icon that you're looking at here is D. 2004 Chevrolet SSR. Number 8, do you recognize this humble ride? Is it A. 2007 Nissan Titan Pro 4X, B. 2008 Toyota Tundra TRD, C. 2008 Ford F-150 FX4, or D. 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500Z 71? I hope you went with B, because the correct answer is 2008 Toyota Tundra TRD. Number 9. Which sleeper performance pickup truck are we looking at here? Your choices are A. 1998 Chevy S10 SS, B. 2000 Ford Ranger Edge, C. 1999 Dodge Dakota RT, or D. 1997 GMC Sonoma SLS. If you said C, 1999 Dodge Dakota RT, then you were spot on. Number 10. Let's see if you can recognize this beauty. Your options are A. 1987 Ford Ranchero, B. 1985 Chevy El Camino SS, C. 1986 GMC Caballero Diablo, or D. 1984 Chevrolet Conquista. You're riding in style if you said B. 1985 Chevrolet El Camino SS. Enjoying the quiz so far? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hit the bell to be notified about our upcoming quizzes. Moving on to the expert level. Earn 5 points for the right answer. Number 11. Do you recognize this workhorse muscle truck? Are we dealing with A. 1994 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport, B. 1995 GMC Sierra GT, C. 1993 Ford SVT Lightning, or D. 1992 Chevrolet 454 SS. If you were inclined to say C, 1993 Ford SVT Lightning, then you are correct. Number 12. What's the name of this boxy retro pickup? Could this be A. 1982 Dodge Rampage, B. 1983 Ford Ranchero, C. 1984 Chevrolet El Camino, or D. 1983 Plymouth Scamp? If you happen to choose D, 1983 Plymouth Scamp, then you've nailed it. Number 13. Do you know the make and model of this low-slung classic? Would you say that this is A. 1970 Dodge Challenger RT pickup, B. 1976 Cadillac Eldorado pickup, C. 1973 Ford Falcon, or D. 1971 GMC Sprint SP? If you promptly said D, 1971 GMC Sprint SP, then you're a true classic car aficionado. Number 14. Can you name this automotive legend? Here are your choices. A. 1980 Ford F-250 Ranger Lariat, B. 1980 Jeep J10 Honcho, C. 1979 Chevy K10 Bonanza, or D. 1981 Dodge W250 Power Ram? If you said B, 1980 Jeep J10 Honcho, and you've hit the mark. Number 15. Which old school pickup are we looking at here? Is it A. 1988 Ford Ranger SDX, B. 1987 Toyota pickup 4x4, C. 1989 Jeep Comanche Pioneer, or D. 1988 Chevrolet S10 Baja? If you chose D, 1988 Chevrolet S10 Baja, then you truly appreciate 80s American pickups. And now on to the champion round. Earn 10 points for the correct answer. Number 16. Which classic ride are we looking at here? Do you suppose this is A. 1989 Dodge Dakota Sport Convertible, B. 1990 Ford Ranger, C. 1991 Chevrolet S10 Convertible, or D. 1988 Jeep Comanche Eliminator? If you answered a 1989 Dodge Dakota Sport convertible, then you are correct. Number 17. What retro pickup concept are we looking at here? Do you think this is A. 1986 Dodge Caravan pickup, B. 1988 GMC Centaur, C. 1987 Chevy Astrovan, or D. 1989 Ford Aerostar mini pickup? If you chose B, 1988 GMC Centaur, then you are absolutely correct. Number 18. What's your best guess for this one? Are we looking at A. 2008 International MXD, B. 2005 Mercedes-Benz G500, C. 2006 Combat T98, or D. 2007 Hummer H2 SUT? If you went with C, 2006 Combat T98, then you guessed right. Number 19. Can you identify this extremely rare convertible pickup? Could it be A. 1991 Ford Skyranger, B. 1992 Chevrolet S10 Sportside, C. 1990 Jeep Comanche Eliminator, or D. 1993 Nissan King Cab pickup? Did you say a 1991 Ford Skyranger? Then your guess was perfect. Number 20. Which Aussie bruiser are we looking at here? Is this possibly A. 2005 Holden Commodore SS Ute, B. 2004 Autotech Ford XR6 Turboraptor, C. 2006 HSV Maloo R8, or D. 2003 Toyota X-Runner? Hope you said B, because 2004 Autotech Ford XR6 Turboraptor is the correct answer. Back in 2004, Autotech aimed to redefine the Australian Ute. The goal wasn't just quickness, but sheer, unadulterated speed. They targeted the Australian and potentially the world land speed record for Utes. This pursuit demanded a radical approach, more power in a dramatically streamlined form. At first glance, the XR6 Turboraptor Ute appeared as a modified XR, but closer inspection revealed a meticulously crafted machine. The body underwent a significant transformation, shaped and strengthened by the Hillier boys of Tenterfield, known for their exceptional street machine craftsmanship. They were tasked with creating the world's fastest Ute. The gull-wing doors, a nod to Autotech boss Bob Roman's childhood fascination for the Mercedes 300 SL, were hydraulically operated and entirely metal. The roofline of this custom Ford Falcon Ute was lowered by 1.5 inches, and the windscreen was raked back 2.5 degrees. Aerodynamics were key, with subtle yet effective tweaks designed to push past 300 kilometers per hour or 186 miles per hour. The roll cage was integrated into the roof, windscreen header, and pillars, maintaining a clean exterior. Aero undertrays were experimental, while the front and rear aprons were redesigned. 20-inch Momo wheels were shod in Pirelli P0 tires. Harrop Engineering provided 13-inch grooved front rotors and 6-spot calipers. A unique touch was the intercooler placement within the front guard trailing edges. The interior was heavily modified, though driving it remained relatively conventional. Entry required a specific technique, but was manageable. The gull-wing doors were operated by rocker switches. The cabin, despite lowered seats and a higher window line, offered ample space due to thinner doors. The prototype retained the stock engine and 4-speed auto, but future plans were far more ambitious. The record-breaking version would feature a radically redesigned hood, concealing a single wiper arm and heads-up instrument cluster mounting. The ultimate goal was a twin-turbo V8, projected to deliver between 700 and 800 horsepower. Autotech aimed to combine aerodynamic efficiency with immense power, striving to deliver record-breaking speed. We've reached the end of our quiz. Please share your final score and any feedback you may have in the comments below.